Are you having trouble with sound on your Windows 11 computer? Do not worry, as we've got you covered with possible solutions to fix the problem in this video. Now to start, make sure your cables are correctly connected since they may get loose if you move your computer while cleaning. Next, check the volume mixer by right-clicking in the sound on your taskbar, select Volume Mixer, and ensure that the system sounds and any other applications you use have a good volume level. Another reason that you're not hearing anything is that the tab with the video is muted. And in order for you to unmute it, right-click on the tab and then choose the unmute option. Next, there might be an update with a fix to your sound problem. So just search for Check for Updates on your computer and then download the pending updates of your Windows. Additionally, troubleshoot the sound problem. To do so, open Settings, click System, go to Troubleshoot, choose Other Troubleshooter, and select Run in the Play Audio. Lastly, reset the audio by using Services. Just search for Services, find Microsoft Audio, and then choose Restart or Start if the option has not been enabled yet. And those are the different fixes if your sound is not working on your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.